Hello everyone and welcome back for the computer session once again. So dear students, today we are going to begin the lesson number 3 and the lesson number 3 is web services and internet tools. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the different web services and the tools on the internet. So let's understand the points which we are going to cover through these lessons are first point we will learn what is web services. Then the next point we will learn using an email services, how to use email services. Next, teleconferencing system. Next, chatting, which you already know. Then e-business, e-commerce and e-shopping. Also we'll explore e-shopping little more. Then we will cover up e-banking and its role. Then next we will learn e-reservation. What is e-reservation and all. Then second last point we will learn e-groups and the last social networking sites. So these all are the points we are going to cover through these lessons. Points are what is web services, using an email services, teleconferencing system, chatting, e-business, e-commerce and e-shopping, e-shopping, e-banking and its role, e-reservation, e-groups, social networking sites. So let's begin with the first point. What is web services? So here technical details of this web services given as per your textbook. Web services are application program interface. Okay, API. Its short form is API. API full form is application programming interface that access through to HTTP called hypertext markup protocol on the internet. Web services are in fact XML based information exchange system that use the internet for direct application to application interaction. Using a web services, you can exchange data over the internet among applications that are written in the different programming language for different platforms. So this is a technical detail information given in your textbook, but in short, if you want to understand this, what is web services? Means the services which we are using through the internet, short and simple. But to use these services means what kind of services? Actually, it is data exchange service. We can transmit data from one system to another system, one computer to another computer, one mobile to another mobile. Okay, so to exchange this system data, we need a particular system. We need a particular system, and that system is called, or that services are called web services. So in short, online services through internet, whatever data exchange we are doing. See, now just we are doing WhatsApp chat, so we are sharing the photos and files to each other. What we are doing, exchanging the photo, images, videos, text and all. So altogether it is called data. So we are exchanging the data, and these services we are doing with the help of internet. So this is called web services. These are called web services or app services. I hope so you understood the first topic. What the web services also covered 2 points, because these web services are based on XML. XML is what? The programming language. With the help of only we can doing the we are exchanging the information. Also we will learn benefits of web services. So let's cover the point what is XML. So dear students, here is the theoretical information for XML. XML, extreme extensible markup language. What is XML? Extensible markup language is flexible and structured way to define document and information. What is a specialty of this software? It is flexible, means easily we can do changes and all, and structure way. There is a particular structure to make it, like how HTML we have learned. You may remember, like we have learned in the previous session HTML program. So in that, how we are structuring the document, like first we used to write HTML tag, then title, then body. So this is one kind of structure base. So XML is also structure based. XML is a W3C. W3C stands for World Wide Web Consortium. Okay, consortium. Specification that defines a metal language for describing data. Now, what is a metal language? Metal language means the language which checks the computer language, okay, which checks the error, which checks the uh, problems or whether it is proper or not. So, like one type of filtration. So, meta language described data. So, it is checking. Meta language means it's checking. XML is similar to HTML. XML is similar to same. Okay. However, at its name is implies it can be extended. Like its name is extensible markup language, means some tags we can extend in that. So it is flexible. That's why it is flexible to create another document and information stand. Specification that defines some meta language for describing data. XML is similar to HTML, however, as its name implies, it can be extended to create other document and information standard, to make it standard. So XML is what? It is a media. It is a media to exchange the information. Okay, for example, there are three person A, B, and C. There are three-person A, B, and C. So A only know English, C only know Hindi, but the person B, it knows, okay, it knows the both the language English and Hindi. So when A and C want to communicate, what they will do? They will take help of B, right? So B is the mediator or media to exchange their data. Same way, XML is the programming pattern which help to exchange the data from one system to another system. Now let's understand benefits of web services. First, web services provide several technology and business benefits. Some of them are as follows. Web services allow different applications to communicate to each other and share data and services among themselves. For instance, VB or .NET application can be communicate with Java application and vice versa. So what is a web service allow us? It allow different application to communicate with each other. For example, we are using WhatsApp. Through that WhatsApp to WhatsApp we are communicating. Also Zoom we are using for communication. Then we can communicate like different applications are there which allows with the help of internet to communicate with each other. Okay, so this is the benefit of web service. Next, web services allow the developer to expose the functionality of existing code over the network, as WAP web code can be remotely invoked using HTTP. It also allows a developer to present his codes all over the world or through the network all over the world. Also, it can access remotely. Now, for example, you are sitting in the Shada, I'm in Nandurbar, and if I'll give access to my laptop, you can access from your place. So, how it is possible? Just because of web services. This Zoom has a web service, and this web service allow us to remotely to control. Okay, what is remote control means? I'm sitting here in another city, you are there. With the help of internet, you can access my system from by sitting at your home. So that is called a remote connection. So this web service allow us a remote connection also. It allow communication between the application. Also, it allow remote communication. Also, what codes we have developed that we can share all over the world. Next, web services can be utilized by several clients by reusing the code for creating custom services for each unique requirement. Okay. Uh, once application is created, that can be used for many people. Also, that can be changed and uniquely designed, and they can be used. For example, now RAID bus, you might have heard about RAID bus. So RAID bus facility is the bus booking facility. So this once this application is designed, so same application with other benefit, another company can start. Okay. Now you might have see Flipkart. The example is Flipkart, online shopping site. So the design is ready. So with some changes, Amazon also can create that one. Any other Meesho, different apps are there. So what is once this basic structure is created, that can be shared with everyone. Also, we can make unique changes in that, and that also can be utilized. So these all are the benefit of web services. And in your day-to-day life, you all are using many services. For example, you are using chatting services with the WhatsApp, share email services with the emails, video conferencing with the help of Zoom. Also, you are sharing the information or giving online exam with the Google Forms.